Welcome back to Relearning Relationships, and in this video I want to share something special that I've been working on with all of you. Recently I created a new course titled Breakup, Recovery, Mastery, and I wanted to make a presentation here on YouTube for my long-term followers. Now, over the years, most people that have reached out to me, that have sent me case studies, privately DM'd me on Instagram or emails, or have booked one-on-one calls with me, have primarily reached out because they've gone through a breakup. Okay, most men take relationships seriously when things go bad. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to make something really special. So I've created a specific course titled Breakup, Recovery, Mastery, with the purpose of helping you heal and moving past your past relationships. And it's split into 4 parts with 16 lessons, and it teaches you how to understand breakups, all the different reasons why women break up with men, when are the situations that you should walk away from a woman, and of course, how to actually heal with actionable steps. So just to give you a course overview, you're going to learn a few key principles that teach you the following. A complete understanding of every reason why breakups happen. Because there are cases, gentlemen, when a breakup is unavoidable and there's nothing you can do. But there are others when maybe you haven't been cheated on, or it's not that you're attracting the wrong woman, maybe you are the problem. Perhaps you've had great women in your life, but you've pushed them away due to your own bad behavior or your knowledge gap or other insecurities. So there are cases when a breakup is preventable. And I'm not somebody who advocates to get back with an ex. That's not what I teach. But I do believe if you have a good woman in your life, you should make certain to self-audit your behavior so that you stop doing and saying things that turn or push women away. So if for those cases where a breakup is preventable, I teach you exactly how to reverse engineer your mistakes to make things right again. Next is you will learn how to overcome bitterness, resentment, and despair. One thing that I've seen with some men who, even though they've been single for years, they have not got over the ex from 2 years ago, 5 years ago, or even longer. Or perhaps you're trying to date somebody new, but you can't really bond because you're stuck in the past. I also teach you how to overcome that in the course. I also explain and help you understand why you keep getting dumped by women you desire. Right? You may be going for women that don't actually desire you, or they're immoral or incompatible with you. Very interesting stuff. I will also teach you, for those of you who are currently in a relationship, how to self-audit your relationship to make certain whether she's right for you or not. And if you find that she's not right, then you can actually walk away. And I teach you how to do that in the kindest way possible. And finally, you'll also learn actionable steps to recover and let go after a breakup. I have practical lessons and stuff that you can fill out, like a checklist to actually heal. And finally, with all the information you learn in the course, it'll help you build your standards moving forward so you never have to go through a breakup ever again, providing you follow this information. Because what you will learn in the course is how to actually vet a woman from the beginning, so you actually won't waste time with immoral women that are not attracted to you or women that don't have the same values. So that if there's any time you waste, it's maybe in the initial stages, first few weeks, first couple of months, but you'll never have anything lead into an actual relationship where you have to break up after months or years. It'll just be in the early stages of dating. And I teach you how to do all of that. So that's what I wanted to share today, the Breakup, Recovery, Mastery course. You can access it in my Relearning Relationships community. It's a one-time payment and it does cost $99. So for those that are currently going through a breakup, or you've been single for a long time and you want to learn a little bit more and you love what I teach, or you would like to support my work, this is where you can find it. And of course I will leave a link down below. And regarding the actual Relearning Relationships community, it's $5. That's the price of the community. It's the same price as a Starbucks coffee. Cancel any moment. It's up to you. You can also access it. There's an app for the iPhone or Android, which is completely free to download. I'm obviously showcasing this to you on the computer, but you can get it on your device. The community is great. We have different guys sharing things that they're up to, testimonials, Recently, one of my clients actually got engaged, so he made a really nice post. Other guys asking different questions about attraction. You know, this guy had questions related to, hey, what happens if I'm with a woman who has a different language to me? Like, guys of all different ages and backgrounds can ask anything they want. You make posts in the community up here. You can make polls. You can share attachments, videos, links. And the cool thing is, it's away from YouTube. And sadly, I'm limited with what I can share on YouTube, right? Because of, you know, certain policies and stuff like that. But in the community, it's private. You have full disclosure to share and ask whatever you want. No one's going to censor you. So it's a great way for different guys to come together. Some are younger, some are in their teens, some are in their 20s, 30s, even 40s and older. Single, currently in a relationship, married, engaged, some even have children. And it's great to ask questions to different men, including myself. And you can all get a lot of advice. So it's a great way for guys to come together. We also have a monthly group call. So once on a monthly basis, we have a community group call. It's always announced and you can join on the Zoom with me and other members. So for those of you who wish to perhaps get to know me in a more personal way away from YouTube, you can hop on the call, ask me anything you want about relationships on the call. And of course, if you do miss the group call, they are always uploaded to the community, so you can play them back at your leisure. In the classroom section, I have other stuff that I give away. I give away free access to my relationship mastery course, part 1 of the course. So you go through all the different lessons there, which is really, really nice. Of course, you have other courses I've made. Another one here, course to Breakup Recovery Mastery. You get a Q&A that I did with my woman, which is really cool. You guys get to watch that. And yeah, you can message me privately on the DMs if you have any other questions. You can see all the different members. You can track the leaderboards based on the posts you make. You level up, so it kind of gives you like a goal, something to work towards. And of course, one really cool thing, when you sign up, when you join the community, you get access to a free private one-on-one 30-minute onboarding call with me, where at your leisure, you pick a time, you go on the Zoom call with me, and I can go through your own personal situation, go through the problems or the struggles you're facing right now, and I essentially give you a free coaching call. So it's all included for $5 in the community. And of course, the Breakup Recovery Mastery is $99, as you can see here. And I wanted to share that with all of you because I know that most guys, and even some gals that are going through this stuff, are looking for answers. And I've synthesized it in a very in-depth course, which is going to help you move forward with your life. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share today. That's the Breakup Recovery Mastery course, and this is my Relearning Relationships community. I know some of you have already joined. Others may not even be aware, so it's worth sharing. And yeah, that's what I've been working on. And this is what I have away from YouTube. And like I said, it's a great way for you guys to stay in touch with me, and you can get to know me on a more personal level. And with that said, I hope to see you in the community. I'd love to see some new faces. And of course, I would love to hear your thoughts when you go through the Breakup Recovery Mastery course, to share your testimonials and see what growth has come from the new information that you learn. With that said, hope you'll have a wonderful day. I know it's been a really short video. I just wanted to share this with all of you, and I'll chat to you guys in the next one.